Yes,
How
sir.
are you?
So fine, little bit.
So, yesterday we have done questions on compound interest,
Yes, sir. Question number seventh and eighth.
7th and 8th. We have done just two questions.
Yes, sir.
I told you about the formulas and all this, I
Yes,
also
sir.
told
First
you,
about the formula.
right? So, because of that, we have done only two questions yesterday. Anyway,
Sir, the
now,
question was
now,
lengthy too.
huh?
Sir, the questions were lengthy too also.
There may be. But so now today we will start with.
Question number ninth.
Okay. So come to question number 9.
Okay, sir. So we have to find the compound interest on rupees 3,125 for 3 years.
What you are saying?
Sir, we have to find
Question
compound
number
interest ninth.
question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Fine. What is that?
Sir, find the compound interest on rupees 3,125.
Find CI on 3,125
rupees
rupees
for 3 years
for 3 years.
if the rates of the interest
Rate of interest. Rate of interest.
for the first
Interest. Interest are
for the first,
for
second and third year
first, second, and third year.
are respectively
Third year. What are those?
4%,
4%,
5%,
5%,
and 6%.
and 6%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
So this is the question we have,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Fine. So how we solve that?
The
We
P into
we
R
can
into T
we,
upon.
we can do it like that. We have to find the CI.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R1 upon 100 bracket 1 plus R2 upon 100 bracket 1 plus R3 upon 100 raised to the minus 1. This is
Yes, sir.
the formula we have, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we put the values here. So CI is equal to 3,125 bracket 1 plus 4 upon 100 bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 bracket 1 plus 6 upon 100 minus 1 minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
This is. So how you will solve it further? That is, this is, you know, 4
225 is
times
the.
4 times 25 becomes 100. So
Yes,
there
sir.
is 25,
Yes, sir.
and 2 times 5 becomes 10. So it is 20.
Yes, sir.
Now 3 times 2 becomes 6,
6.
and 5 times 2 becomes 10, 50, right? So you get 3125 bracket 1 plus 1 upon 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Bracket 1 plus 1 upon 20, bracket 1 plus 3 upon 50 minus 1. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So we get 3125 is equal to, this is 26 upon 25 into 21 upon 20 minus 50, plus 53 upon 50 minus 1. Getting?
Yes,
So
sir.
3125, and we get how much? Oh, it's multiplication. So 20 into 50, 1000.
Yes,
1000
sir.
into 25 becomes 25,000.
Yes, sir.
You get 25,000 here. And
Yes.
when we multiply this, you know, 26 into 21 into 53, it is 28,938. 28,938 minus 25,000, right? So what happens? 3125, and what will be the difference? 25,000, right? It will be 3,938. 3,938 divided by 25,000, right?
Yes, sir.
When you divide it by 25, this 3,100 divided by 25, then you get how much?
Wait, sir.
1, 2, 5, right? And you get here 1,000. 3,125 divided by 25, you get 125, right? And 25,000 divided by 25, you get 1,000.
1000.
Okay. Now, what do? You directly multiply, 3,938 multiplied by 125. How much you get? 5 times 8 becomes 44. 5 times 9 becomes 45. 9, 49. 4, 15. 4, 19. Okay. 2, 8. 8 times 2 becomes 16. 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 2 becomes 6. 1, 7. 2, 9 times 2 becomes 18. We get 1. And 3 times 2 becomes 6. 1, 7. Again, we get 8, 8, right? 8, 3, 9, 3. Okay. So we get 0, 5, 10, 25, right? 2, 10, 4, 10, 14, 1, 17, 1, 4, right? So how much you get? CI is 47,000, 47, we get 4,74,550. 4,74,550 divided by 1,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Replace zero shift, so you get 474.55. This is the CI, right? So we get the CI 400.
Sir, the 3,935 into 125 is wrong.
How much it is?
It will come, sir. 100. The 4,92,250 रुपीज सर आपने 5 3 था 15 को नहीं किया था हमने 5 3 हटा दिया था फिर 9 से आपने कर दिया था फिर आपने 5 8 40 किया फिर आपने 5 9 से डायरेक्ट कर दिया था 45.
Oh, I get a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. 4,92,250.
4,92,250.
Yeah, that is. So it will be, when we calculate it, it will be 4,92,250, right?
Yes, sir.
So when we divide this 4,92,250 after three zeros, it becomes 492 rupees and 25 paise, right?
Yes, sir.
You get this. So this is, we have, right? So our
Yes,
CI is how much?
92 point.
4,92,000.25. You get this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the solution of the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
4
was,
lakh 9 492.25.
yeah, this was question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Now which question?
Question number 10th.
What is that?
1 minute, sir. What sum of money
What sum of money
will amount to
amount to
rupees 9,261,
rupees
9,200
9,261 in
in 3 years
3 years
At 5%
At 5%
per annum compound
per annum compounded annually.
per annum compound interest.
Per annum compounded annually. Is this so?
Yes, sir. Compound interest.
Annually. Right. So, do you understand? So, what sum of money amounts to? So, amount is given you how much? 9,261. Right. Rate of interest is 5%. Fine. And
Yes, sir.
time is 3 years. My
3 years.
3 years. My God. Anyway, so we go. So, amount is equal to principal bracket 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this? So it is 9,261 is equal to P bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to the power 3. Right? You get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happens? 1 times 5 becomes 5. 2 times 5 becomes 10. So it's
10,
20.
20.
So it is 9,261 is equal to P bracket 1 plus 1 plus
1 upon 20.
1 upon 20 raised to the power 3. So we can write 9,261 is equal to P bracket 21 upon 20 whole cube. Right? So 9,261 is equal to P bracket cube of 21 is 9,261 and cube of 20 is 8,000. So principal is equal to 9,261 is cancelled out. So principal is rupees 8,000. Right?
Yes, sir.
Do you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You done this?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. One thing. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Same question, you do not use formula and then solve. You know the amount, right?
Okay, sir.
Same question without using formula. So let principal be rupees X. For first year, for first year,
Sir, we are doing the same question without formula.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
So here is P1 is equal to rupees X and I1 is equal to X in X into rate of interest is 5, time is 1 year upon 100. It becomes 20. So it is X upon 20. Right? So A1 is equal to X plus X upon 20 will give you 21X upon 20. You get this?
Yes,
This
sir.
is for the first year we get. Right? Now the same thing if we go for the second year. If we go for the second year, so A1 is equal to P2. So I2 is equal to 21x upon 20 into 5 into 1 upon 100. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So 4 times 5 becomes 20. This is 4. 4 goes down. It becomes 221x upon 400. Right?
Yes, sir.
400. So A2 is A2 is 21x upon 20 plus 21x upon 400. Right? So you
Yes,
will
sir.
take LCM here 400. So 400 divided by 20 becomes 20 and 20 is multiplied becomes 20 is multiplied becomes
20.
20 is multiplied becomes 21x. So you get 420x plus 21x. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
so finally you will get A2 is equal to 441x upon 400. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now we will go again for the third year. Third year. So A2 is equal to P3 is equal to how much? 441x slash 400. Right? So now I3 is 441x upon 400 into 5 into 1 upon 100. You get that?
Yes, sir.
So this 400 divided by 5 you get 80, and this 80 comes down, it becomes 8,000. So you get 441x upon 8,000. 8,000. Right? So you get now A3 is equal to P3 plus I3. So P3 is 441x upon 400 plus how much we are getting here?
8,000.
441 upon 8,000.
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we take LCM as 8,000, right? So it becomes 20. When 20 is multiplied by, 441, 441 is multiplied by 20. So how much we get? 0, 2, 1 time 2 becomes 2, 4 times 2 becomes 8, 4 times 2 becomes 8. 8820,
Yes, sir.
8820 x
Uh,
plus 441x, right? When we
yes, sir.
add these two, this is 8821. We write here 8820 441. So it is 1629, right?
Yes, sir.
So you will get 9261x upon 8,000. You get it?
Yes, sir.
And you also know that A3 is given as 9261, right? It is given. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So we can write here 9261 is equal to 9261 x upon 8,000, right? This 9261 is cancelled out. 1. So x is equal to rupees 8,000. This is, we have principal. Getting? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is, yeah.
Yes, sir. Getting.
You get this solution?
Yes, sir. So why we have done without formula this time?
Huh?
So why we have done this question without formula now?
Why we have done?
Yes, sir.
Nothing, just
Without
to
formula.
just to make it comfortable. Ki this question in your syllabus both things are available, na? You have to calculate without formula and with formula also,
Okay, sir.
right? Because of that I have done. There is 9261 is equal to 9261 x upon 8,000. So this is 1 time 1. So x is rupees 8,000. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is I did. So this is just to make you comfortable. We can do the question by two methods: by using formula, by without using formula. Right?
Yes, sir.
Should I know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is next?
Telling. Sir, what sum invested at 4% per annum?
Question number
11th.
11. What is that? What sum?
Invested at 4% per annum.
What sum invested at 4% per annum,
Compounded semi-annually
compounded compounded semi-annually yes,
So, semi-annually amounts to rupees 7,803.
amounts to
Rupees
amount to
7,803.
rupees
7,803.
11,803.
7777.
11,703.
No, sir, not 11,000. 7,803.
7,803
Yes, sir.
in
So at the end of 1 year.
in 1 year. 1 year.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Is this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is the question now.
Yes,
That
sir.
what sum invested at 4% per annum compounded semi-annually amount rupees 7,803 in 1 year. Right? So we can do like this. First, for
तो
for
semi-annually मतलब half yearly.
yeah, for first half of year, for first half of year, P is equal to, let P be X, let P principal be X, right? So for first half of the year, I1 is equal to X into 4 into 1 by 2 upon 100. It is 2, it is 50. So it is X by 50. So amount for the first year is equal to X plus X upon 50 will give you 51 X upon 50. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Now for second half of the year, for second half of year, for second half of year, A1 is equal to P2 is equal to 51 X upon 50. So I2 is equal to 51 X upon 50 into 4 into 1 by 2 upon 50 upon 100. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what happens? This is 2 times 2. Right? And this is 50. So it is I2 is equal to 51x upon 2500.
Yes, sir.
So A2 is equal to 51 x upon 50 plus 51x upon 2500, right? So it is 2500 divided by 50. How much you will get?
2500 divided by 50.
Yeah,
1 second.
you will get 50
Yes, sir.
and 51 multiplied by 50 2550 250 2550x plus 51x, right? So A2 is how much? It will be 12601
Uh,
x upon 2500. A2 is given us, it is given us 7803, right? So 7803 is equal to 2601 x upon 2500, right?
yes, sir.
So 3 times 2601. Yeah, what I'm saying?
2.
3 times 2601 becomes 7803. It is 3. So x is equal to 3 into 2500. It becomes rupees 7500. You get this? This is the principle we have, right?
Yes, sir.
Principle. Okay. So you get this answer? I send you the answer sheet. You are checking from there?
Yes, sir. The answer is going 7500.
7500 is coming. Okay. This is how we can do by without using formula, right?
Okay, sir.
If you use formula, then how you will get this? Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Here half yearly, so I make the time half, 1/2, right? Here I make the half. Time is 1/2, I do it. So let principal be x. So amount is equal to principal bracket 1 plus r upon 200 raised to the power 2n. So it is 7803 is equal to x bracket 1 plus 4 upon 200 raised to the power 2 into 1, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is 50. So we get 7,803 is equal to x bracket 51 upon 50 whole square, right? So what you did, 7,803 is equal to x into 51 into 51. 1, 51, 5, 25. 2601. 2601
01.
upon 51 square is 2601 and it is 2500, right? This is
Yes, sir.
50. So this is again 3 times. So x is equal to rupees 2500 into 3. X is rupees 7,500. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This is the principle we have. So we can do these questions by two methods, right?
Yes, sir.
So you understand this?
Yes, sir.
The whole question and concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for today it is sufficient. You try to
Yes,
do
sir.
at least 3-4 questions from first.
Okay, sir.
We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir.